What if I told you that the key to unlocking the secrets of the Voynich manuscript might lie in a secret pattern hidden within its pages? This pattern, which appears in over 6% of the words in the manuscript, has the potential to provide a breakthrough in cracking the code. This 6% of words only represents 0.4% of the possible combinations that the language exhibits. That is an astounding 15-to-1 ratio right there. Could it be describing the unique features of plants in the manuscript? Let's find out. Also, let me tell you that these findings are part of an ongoing research of mine, in multiple episodes. So be sure to subscribe to follow the journey as we decode the mystery step by step. If you've been following my work, you know by now that the Voynich manuscript has intrigued scholars and amateur cryptographers alike for centuries with its enigmatic content and unknown origins. Its pages are filled with strange illustrations, alien symbols, and a mysterious language that has yet to be fully deciphered. In this video, you, Voynichados, and me, your beloved host, we will explore one particular aspect of the manuscript that has remained a mystery for far too long: the depiction of plants. But before we delve into the world of plants in the Voynich manuscript, make sure to check out our playlist in the video description or at the end of this video for a full breakdown of the different aspects we've covered so far. Now, let's take a closer look at the fascinating plant pages of the Voynich manuscript. The plant pages are some of the most visually striking and enigmatic portions of the text. The detailed illustrations depict a range of exotic plants, some of which are unlike any known species in the natural world. But what do these illustrations mean, and how do they relate to the secret word pattern we discovered? First, let's take a closer look at the plant pages themselves. The plants are rendered in a highly stylized fashion, with exaggerated features and unusual coloration. Some of the plants are depicted in isolation, while others appear in groups or within landscapes. One of the most striking features of the plant pages is the absence of contextual information, such as habitat, time of year, or cultural significance. Analyzing the different illustrations reveals potential meanings and interpretations. Some plants, for example, are shown in various stages of growth, from seed to mature plant, which could signify the passing of time or the plant's life cycle. Other illustrations show plants in different positions, which could indicate their use or preparation for medicinal or culinary purposes. The plant names themselves are also intriguing. While many of the names are indecipherable, some appear to be related to known plant species or have roots in Latin or other European languages. We will explore how these names could be related to the secret word pattern in the next section. Shortly, we will dive into the heart of the mystery and explore the secret word pattern that could potentially unlock the code of the Voynich manuscript. The Voynich manuscript's secret word pattern is a series of letter combinations that appear repeatedly throughout the manuscript, amounting to over 6% of the words. The pattern is made up of the letters rat or tarat, followed by either an I or an E, then one of the following combinations: ner, nes, nem, or m, and finally, one of the 5 vowels, a, e, I, o, or u. It's the consistent repetition of this pattern that is intriguing and could hold a significant meaning. While the individual letters and sounds themselves are not particularly unusual, what could this pattern mean? One possible theory is that the letters may be related to specific plant parts and their benefits in balneology. However, I also suggest that it could be related to something else entirely. The frequency of this pattern could be significant and provide insight into the manuscript's content. So, what could each part of the secret pattern mean? While there is no definitive answer, this pattern provides a crucial starting point for further research into the Voynich manuscript. Despite decades of study, no one has yet been able to definitively decipher the bulk of it, yet. If you want to know more, please do subscribe because we will give you your money's worth in the next few weeks. With the discovery of this secret word pattern, we may be one step closer to unlocking the mysteries of this enigmatic text. The Voynich manuscript comprises different sections, with the plant pages being just one of them. Another section of the manuscript is devoted to balneology, which refers to the use of baths for medicinal purposes. Could there be a connection between the plants and balneology sections of the manuscript? I believe that the secret word pattern we discussed earlier may hold the key to this connection. The consistent appearance of the pattern in both the plant and balneology pages suggests that they could be related. My theory is that the plants depicted in the manuscript may have been used in medicinal baths, and the secret words could be descriptions of the plant parts that are involved in preparing bathwater. By analyzing the secret words in the context of the balneology pages, we may be able to gain a better understanding of the medicinal practices of the time. For example, if a particular plant part is associated with the word pattern that appears frequently in the balneology section, it may suggest that the said part of the plant was commonly used in medicinal baths. Furthermore, the secret word pattern may provide insight into the preparation and use of these baths. By examining the specific combinations of letters that appear in the pattern, and subsequent close words, we may be able to discern the ingredients and methods used in these medicinal baths. Overall, the connection between the secret words and balneology in the Voynich manuscript is a fascinating avenue for further exploration. By delving deeper into this connection, we may be able to shed new light on the practices and beliefs of the manuscript's unknown author. In conclusion, we've explored the mysterious world of the Voynich manuscript and the intriguing patterns hidden within its pages. Our focus has been on the potential link between plants and the balneology pages of the manuscript, and the discovery of a secret word pattern that could provide insight into both. The pattern of rat or tarat, followed by either an I or an E, then one of the combinations, ner, nes, nem, or m, and finally one of the 5 vowels, a, e, I, o, or u, is a recurring feature in the manuscript and makes up more than 6% of the words. This pattern, combined with the unique illustrations of plants in the manuscript, has led me to theorize that the manuscript may be describing the benefits of plants in baths. Further research is necessary to fully decipher the Voynich manuscript, and this discovery provides a promising avenue for exploration. By delving deeper into the potential link between plants and the balneology pages, we may unlock the secrets of this enigmatic text, and shed light on its purpose and meaning. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next steps in unlocking this mystery. If you have any questions, please head down below, and leave them for everyone to think about them. I might do a reaction video to the comments that are coming my way. I'm nothing without you, so show your worth by becoming a full-fledged subscriber to this channel.